Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive into the exciting world of web development. I am Saloni Kartik and today is a special day because it's our first video. In this video, we are going to take our first steps into the fascinating realm of HTML, the backbone of every website. Whether you are a beginner or are looking to refresh your skills, you are in the right place. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you are ready to embark on this coding journey with me. It really helps the channel grow and reach more aspiring developers. If you find content helpful or interesting, don't forget to share it with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. Let's build a community of learners and passionate about web development. And of course, if you haven't already considered subscribing to my YouTube channel for more coding tutorials, tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. All right, enough talking. Let's dive into the world of HTML. So, first video is about HTML. Introduction. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, where H stands for hyper, T stands for text, and M stands for markup, and L stands for language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML tells the browser how to display the content. Now, let's take one example about a HTML, like a common example. Okay, this is the HTML elements, and this is the first example we are taking in the HTML. So let's dive into the hands-on experience. Okay, so to to build this, let me first remove this. Okay, I'll remove whole code. Open VS Code and install it. I will sure make sure to give another video how to install VS Code. So just give one exclamatory mark and press it enter button. You will find a code which is already present in the VS Code. In the body, just concentrate here. Like I will be explaining the whole sum in the further classes. Here H1 this tags in this tags I'm giving some information where uh, where I'm printing as my first heading and I'm giving as my first paragraph. What it does, how it does, let's see. And I'll give my title. A title has page title. Uh, Everyone make sure to install live. One second. Okay. Now right click on it. All open with live server. Like everyone install live server in the VS Code so that it will be redirected to live server easily. Right click, open with live server. So this one is my output. This is what the tag says. H1 means which is the highest heading uh, which gives throws the output as my first heading, and P is the paragraph which shows as my first paragraph. And this is the thing it shows, and page title which the title which it was carrying in the code. Now next we'll go through the each and every element what it does explanation. So first every time we initialize doc type HTML. So it declares defines the document is an HTML5 document. So currently we are using HTML5 and HTML element. this one, this one, this one. HTML element is a root element of an HTML page, which is a basic element. Every script should include HTML tags. Head element contains meta information about the HTML page. Title element specifies a title for the HTML page. Body elements defines the documents, and body is a container for all the visible content such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, list, etc. So this is what for body is this one, and this contains headings, paragraph, everything inside the body tag. Now next one is H1. H1 element defines the large heading, that is H1, which is the large heading. Next one is P, defines a paragraph, which defines a paragraph, whatever you can specify here in terms of paragraph. For further, we will be seeing in the later classes. This is the introduction of HTML. Thanks for joining to my YouTube channel.